What do you think of when you hear custom home? Maybe thoughtful design, cool features? Well, I'm super excited because I have exactly that house for you today. I'm Daniel McDougall, real estate agent here in Maple Valley. Let's take a tour of this fantastic custom home. So let's get into the details, and we're going to start with the roof. In the Prairie design concept, we have a shallow-hipped, low-slope roof. So you think of like a pyramid with a low peak. The sides all slope out to the walls. What that does is it really takes and spreads the roof out, and that has a big impact on the interior space. So you get wider, taller spaces. You have really a sense of airiness, of free movement on the interior. So we think it's just a roof, but there's a lot of thought and design that goes into that. I want to show you two things I really love here on the exterior. One is the use of natural cedar. That's part of that Northwest contemporary design, using elements native to the Pacific Northwest and using them in a nice dramatic way. And then we have this curved wall. I love the vertical lines of that cedar really draw our eyes up and accentuate the height of this curved piece. And having it curved like that really gives us some geometric contrast to some of the squares that come out of having a prairie roof style. So this curved wall is a significant design element. It took a lot of extra work to make it happen and make sure that it was still functional and make it a beautiful centerpiece as it is. Welcome in, guys. Right away, you have your grand staircase. Imagine starting off your day, light coming in through the window, you come down this curved stairwell. It's really beautiful, almost a piece of artwork. The windows, the drywall, the iron of the railing, the wood of the stairs, it all took a lot of work to make it match that beautiful curve, but it has such a grand effect on your entryway. Okay, let me take you over to the other side of our entryway, the traditional dining space. Sometimes with the great room concept, we can lose this space or lose the definition of it. But here we have the architect has really preserved it. Just imagine those special times with all your loved ones gathered around, have that big meal that you've prepared in the kitchen we're about to see. This space can do that easily, hold all of your friends. And I just love that it has that tray ceiling, that recessed cove for you put your custom lighting in. Let's take a look at the great room. And with any good great room, it really is the focal point of your home, sets the tone. And that really happens here. Just step into the space, take a look around and feel the feeling that we get here. See that huge window wall? It's really bringing in so much natural light. It really gives you a tranquil feeling. Can you imagine a long day at work, come into this space, kick your feet up, you have a fire on, and just relax. A few things I want to share with you about this living room. And it starts with the floors. When you have such a large room, your floors become more important visually. And these are really beautifully finished gray, bamboo engineered floors. And I love the engineered aspect. That means there's plywood, so it's stronger, it's gonna last longer. What's really cool is they're hydronically heated. So you get that warm water flowing through to heat the room, really it's on the entire main floor. That makes it more energy efficient, but it's a nice heat, it's a comfortable heat. This is a 42 Apex fireplace, which is high performance clean burning, but it also has an automatic lighting system, which is really cool for getting your fires going in an easy way. It's also really good at distributing the heat throughout your home because it has multiple fans. A couple more things. We have these beautiful Huntswood walnut cabinets and the floating shelves. And then what we all need, it's pre-wired for your sound and security systems. Now, as we're in our living room, we flow into the kitchen as part of that great room. And of course, in a kitchen, we're going to be gathering naturally around the island. So you can imagine you're entertaining, having your friends, and you're all gathered around the island, hanging out. You have a huge space here. So whatever you're preparing, whatever you're working on, you can spread out. Beautiful polished granite. And what I really love is the waterfall edge to the countertop. So it naturally falls off the edge. And that's a little bit extra work to install that, but it gives it a nice, unique look. I really love that these cabinets are really high quality Huntswood custom cabinets with walnut fronts on the island. And then the rest of the kitchen, it's a maple hardwood front with a shaker style, a little bit of elegance and having that chamfered edge there. Now, if you care about cooking that big meal we were talking about earlier, then you got to check out this cooktop. You can see it's restaurant grade, 36-inch wide stainless steel KitchenAid. It's propane powered, so you get that precision and that control when you're cooking. But you have so much space to spread out. You can manage that big meal and have your friends in here helping you out. Something that you would expect on a kitchen this high grade is the pot filler. It's so nice to be able to fill your pot here and not have to worry about transporting it through your kitchen. Every chef cares about your range hood. This is Vent-A-Hood, top of the class when it comes to quietly venting all that air out quickly. And it's got really nice knobs, beautiful lighting. Another consideration is your refrigerator. In this case, we have a beautiful 48-inch stainless steel Sub-Zero. What I love is on the inside, it has an air filter. So if we accidentally leave something in there a little too long, it won't get too funky. What a beautiful appliance, beautiful and functional. Of course, with your kitchen, you gotta have a good eating space. You don't wanna be using your traditional dining space for every meal, right? What I love about this kitchen is right here, very convenient, you got this huge dining nook, and it's so big that you can fit everybody. It's easy, convenient for cleanup, and you can see your backyard. You're bringing in a lot of light with that big window. Right off our dining nook, let's check out our in-between space. So we're on our covered patio. Why did I call it an in-between space? Well, we have our interior rooms. We also have exterior rooms. But what's nice about a covered patio is year-round, it can function as an in-between the inside and the outside. I love this one in particular. It's wired for a heater, so you can be out here even in the wintertime. Imagine you having that big gathering. You're gonna need different rooms for people to settle in, have a conversation and relax. This patio space is perfect for that. You also have a nook for your barbecue. You're able to cook and relax. I want to take you outside. We're going to walk around the house so I can show you some of the systems, and then we'll head in the back door. Right off the back door here, we have this side garage. And it's just a garage, right? I wanted to highlight it because it's finished. It has the heated floors, so you can use your imagination here. What would you do with it? Would you turn it into an art studio? Maybe a really deluxe workout room? That's what's nice about having a flex space like this. If you really want to, you could even just park your car in it. So whatever you do with that space, you can make it your own. On this side of the hallway, we have our laundry room. It's extra wide. We have room for our full-size machines. We also have a deep utility sink. So a beautiful, spacious laundry room that fits your need. Now let me show you the main floor bathroom. We have some really cool surprises in here. In a custom home, even something as simple as a bathroom can have some really cool, thoughtful features. So for example, we have unpolished granite here, so it gives a nice texture. And these cabinets match the kitchen, match the rest of the house with the walnut fronts. I love this shower. It's curbless, so the floor just continues right in, and you've got that textured stone tile in there. But the real surprise in here is the sauna. Imagine one of those cold January days in Seattle, but you get to come down and relax in your warm sauna. And the sauna is cedar lined. I just love it when I open up and I get that smell. I wish you had smell-o-vision right now. So we also have a coat closet. We have your butler's pantry, servicing those really large meals you're gonna do. And we have a really cool feature here. This is the pantry for your kitchen. But what's really neat is they thoughtfully did not put the hydronic heating in the floor in there, which keeps that room cooler. All right, now it's time to head upstairs, and we have a really cool finale for you. Come on, let's go. Right off the stairs to the left, you have the first bedroom. Nice big bedroom with tall ceilings. Of course, you have your closet, and you have west and south facing windows. Okay, let's head into the second bedroom. Because of the architecture of the home, this being in sort of the main tower, this room gets 12-foot ceilings. Massive south-facing windows bring in so much light. It's just thus a nice, relaxing room. Okay, heading from the second bedroom, before we get into the owner's suite, we have a closet, which is nice for some extra storage, and then we have the second floor main bath. So carrying through with that Prairie design, we come to the owner's suite. And again, the characteristic is that wide spread out, and that's really this room. You have tons of space for king bed plus nightstands. You can fit a lot in here, turning it into your sanctuary. And a couple of options for you to set the ambiance in this room. You have recessed cove where you can put your lighting in. You also have this Napoleon faux fireplace that's a heater that really has a nice tone to it. Okay, now we have a really cool surprise for you in the ensuite bathroom. Let's check it out. check out this awesome shower. Do you just, like me, like to take a hot shower for a long time, just wash away all your cares? This one has a raindrop shower head, regular shower head, body jets. It's also a steam shower, and it maintains that really cool curbless design that we saw downstairs. And notice your raised vanity with double sinks, and I love that they also did the waterfall feature on the side here too. And we have off to the side what you would expect, your walk-in closet. And look at this thing, it's huge. And how about putting on a bubble bath, grabbing a glass of wine, relaxing in your tub that has jacuzzi jets. But you notice there's no faucet. We have a big surprise for you. Check out where the water comes from. Thank you so much for coming with us on this tour. This home is 2,620 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 3/4 bathrooms. What did you think of this custom home? From the Prairie, Northwest contemporary design concepts, we have so many benefits. Great big open spaces, all that natural light coming in, and then so many cool features. And there's so much more, which you'll find out when you book a private tour.